Hi guys, so I just bought this Logitech keyboard. It is a mechanical keyboard, G610 Orion brown, and it has Cherry MX brown switches. I just unboxed it and you can see it here. Quite a nice keyboard, quite elegant and stylish, but I have a problem with this keyboard, and I have been reading online. There is also many others who have a problem like I do. You can see brown buzzing when backlight dimmed, LED noise, buzzing sound from LED, and in this link you will see that Logitech support is saying that buzzing sound from LED keyboard is not normal. So let me show you what happens. So I don't have a backlight now. If I turn it, keyboard is quiet, and if I try to dim it, like I said, a lot of people have this problem, and I have seen that most of the problems are recently happening. So maybe this batch that was is faulty. So here are the numbers if someone needs them. So this is now the next day, and I discovered a new problem. Not sure is this only with my keyboard, but some of buttons are stuck when you press them, especially if you press them on side. Let me show you what I mean.